While some communities are getting back to normal after those May 10th tornadoes, other neighborhoods are still dealing with lingering damage.
I said they're doing a pretty good job cleaning up the area.
I'm Terry Gilliam, your Southwest Tallahassee neighborhood reporter. I check in with neighbors as they hope all debris will be cleaned up by the county's deadline.
My boys and I were in the home when the tornado came through.
Jennifer Agama and her 3 boys remember the May 10th tornadoes like it was yesterday.
The day was very terrifying.
Tornadoes tore through the city, leaving behind major damage. Tree limbs piled on the side of the road. Some trees snapped at the root, still lying in front of homes.
There is still a lot of work to be done, but we're hoping that it is complete by next week.
Leon County crews began a final pass of debris cleanup on June 24th. It's set to end July 12th.
The trees are being picked up. We have a lot of debris that is still down, but I see the great efforts that have been put in place. There is a big difference.
Leon County says they've collected more than 8,000 truckloads of debris. That's 327,616 cubic yards, 14 times the debris collected after Hurricane Idalia. While in my neighborhood on Monday, I talked to another neighbor, Tim Noel. I asked him about his experience and if he thinks the county's debris cleanup will be successful.
A tornado is something I'd never want somebody to go through. I think they will be able to do that because of how fast they did everything after the tornado. Like the debris was gone just as fast as it came down.
I asked Agama if she hopes for total cleanup, not just in her neighborhood, but throughout the city.
I'm hoping that.
In Southwest Tallahassee, Terry Gilliam, ABC 27.